Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to do another design tutorial. I've been seeing this design style a lot and it's called the bootleg wrap tee. Check it out here. I've seen it on the internet, on Etsy, and on Amazon. This design style has three elements to it. The first element is the text effects. Usually it's kind of bent and it has kind of a chrome or some kind of gradient on the text. The second element you'll notice is that there's a collage of photos, usually 3 or more photos of the same thing, realistic photos, usually animals or people. And the third is that there's lightning behind it. So this design style may look hard to do, but actually all these three effects can be done in Kittl. So I'm going to be doing this in Kittl. I'll show you how to do it. They actually have templates for it, so it's going to be super simple. We're going to go there now and I'm going to use one of the templates and show you how to create it. All right, so here we are on Kittl, Kittl.com, and you can see this is the home page that they have now. It looks different. You can see that I did one already, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So first things first is we're going to go look for a template, and you can see trending templates here. Since we don't see it here, I'm going to hit show all, and I'm going to do search, and they actually have one called Bootleg, and I'm going to do that. Oh, as t-shirts. Well, it knows it's a t-shirt, so you could click on t-shirts and do bootleg, but you can see all of these kind of look the same. Like this is the lightning behind it and the designs. And let's see, we can use any one of these. This one has just one, but it has the gangster wrapper. So a lot of these follow the same thing, right? Like the design, the chrome kind of look on the text here. So find one where you like the text or the font. Of course, you can change it. You can change anything on here. But I'm gonna just show you some of the cool ones right here. So pretty neat, right? So here's another one and so on. So there's a ton of templates is what I'm trying to tell you. I'm just gonna pick one here. I used this one before since it had dogs here, but I'm gonna show you how to change it. So click on the template and it's gonna pull it up here, and you're going to be able to edit it. So we can see here it has the same things like I was saying. The text has a curve here, has that the text effects with the kind of the chrome here, and it has a collage or a group of pictures, you know, in this case dogs, and the lightning. So we're going to change it a bit, and you can change it however much you want. First thing I'm gonna do is make it the right size though. So I'm gonna click on here. You can see this one is 960 by 1200, not big enough for merch on demand or any t-shirt apparel thing. So I'm gonna do 4500 here and then 5400. Boom. Okay, so that's what we need. I'm gonna zoom out. I'm holding down Option and scrolling back. And then I'm gonna select all of these and just make it as big as I need to, stretching it here. And it works, look at that. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take away the pictures of the dogs, just so you can see that I can do something else. And that tree. Sometimes if it's group, you can double click it to get into the group and just remove the tree. So I'm gonna do that. I might be saving these for later. I'm gonna try and do some raccoons. So let's see what they have here in elements. I'm just gonna type in raccoon. I think it's C-O-O, yeah, there we go. And then I can look for like realistic pictures. That's one of the things, is it should look realistic. So this one kind of looks realistic. Cute. All right, and then we can, if there is a background, we can remove the background right here like this. And I'm gonna go look for some more realistic ones. That's cute. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Realistic raccoons. I wish we could type in realistic raccoon. I don't think that's gonna work, but I'm just gonna scroll down and look at some. This one's kind of cool. All right, let's remove the background here. So we're looking for at least three of these to kind of put them together. That's pretty cool there. And let's see. This one with the glasses is kind of funny. All right, let's remove background here. So one of the nice things that Kittl does, not only does it have the templates, but it has realistic pictures and you can remove the background really quickly. So that's a plus. I'm gonna move this in the back, so I can come in here and I can click on these dots and I can move backwards and forwards. So I'm gonna go back, back another time because I want the other one in the front. There we go. And maybe something like that. Or maybe I could fit another one there. I don't know. Maybe a moon there? Who knows? Depending on the space, we'll see. And then we got to come up with text. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try like support local street cats or trash pandas or whatever. I don't know. That's not trending. Support. Oh, nice. And maybe this can be local. Oh, all right. I'm just playing around here. Support local. And you can play around with the lightning too. Like if you want to move the lightning around, double click on it, make it like that. And oh, we're gonna have to move this in the front. Let's see where all the, is there more text? Yeah, there's more text under here. Okay. All right, just moving things around. Wonder if local would be cool here. I'm gonna just use this same one. I'm gonna copy it and bring it down here, make sure that it's in the front. So I was holding down Option and dragging, and then I'm gonna bring this to the front and I'm gonna say Trash Panda. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, that's really tight. I wonder if I just do pandas. That's kind of cool. And we're gonna edit it. So I'm gonna move my face over here and let's edit this. Yeah, so instead of going that way, I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna move it out a little bit. Oh. And maybe this says street panda, or what did I say, trash pandas. Yeah. There you go. Might want to change it just a little bit down like that. Now you can also change the color. Oh, we don't need this either. If you want to keep something like this and put something there, you can. I'm going to take this out. Support trash pandas. Yeah, why not? Okay, and if you want to change the color on it, you can too. So if you want to change the color here on this graph, you can see that this is pink. What if I want to make it, you know, like a darker color and I want to move this down? I can do that here and make this darker even, maybe this like that. I see how I'm changing it up. So change the colors on these easily if you want to make it blue or whatever, and move the lightning down. Isn't that cool? Support trash pandas. You can do whatever animal you want. Put cats in here, dogs. We saw dogs in it earlier. But that's how simple it is to make these designs. You could change this font too. Like if you don't want this font, it's using American. There's a whole bunch of other fonts in here. I think there was one that I liked. Where is it? Asset, I think, was a good one. Let's try that. Yeah, so I like that one. We can change this to asset 2. Oh, just type it in. Just to give you another option. See how dark that is. That's pretty cool, right? So there you go. I think that turned out great. We can move things down. It doesn't have to be like touching that if you don't want to. So play around with this. Change the color on this too. Like maybe that would be lighter if maybe it should just be white, you know? So you have a lot of freedom with this. Just make it the right size. Boom, easy. We got the same style, right? So we got the We got the text up here with some text effects with it rounded like this, and we got the kind of the gradient or chrome. You can change this however you want, like I did here. And we have the lightning, and we have the group of photos, realistic photos. These are some great ones. So this is the best place to do it, I think, is Kittl, because it has all those things. You can go and find pictures, you can do the text effects super easy. It already has the lightning, and it has tons of stuff. So have fun with this. I think this can be really good. Get really creative though. Don't copy what everybody else is doing. Change up the words, change up the photos to things that people don't have. So this is a really new style right now. So I think the more creative that you're getting, you can really stand out and get some sales with this. I hope, not guaranteed, but I hope you can get some sales because it's a very popular style right now that I'm seeing. So now that you're done with this, I forgot to add that you can export this pretty easy. You want to change the name of this to what you're doing. So if you're using, so I used the, the underdog one. So I'm going to say support trash pandas on mine here. And then when you export this, it's also going to have the name right here. Make sure it's 4500 by 5400, which is great. The DPI doesn't matter if you're using the pixels, remove background, optimize quality, and export. And let me show you what this looks like on a t-shirt on Amazon. So here on Amazon, I'm just going to drag in that one that I did. And let's see what it looks like. So this is a bigger file. It's going to take a little longer to upload, and it's not going to look great on every color. So you're going to see that it's probably just going to look great on black. So there's black. Here's asphalt gray. Kind of works. Like it's going to work on the darker colors. Cranberry red, probably heather gray. As we get closer to some of these other ones, it's going to kind of lose the lightning and darkness effect here. So I wouldn't put it on anything too light. You can see on a white that definitely doesn't work, and on like red, kind of iffy. So keep it to some of the darker colors like these. I think these will work, and of course you can do youth depending on what you do here. But yeah, definitely like the navy blue works, the black. I think cranberry red can work. Dark heather gray works as well. So have fun with that. You can see I did it in a matter of minutes, and you can be creative and do lots of different things on here. Do it for the holidays as well. I think if you can be creative and do it for like holidays coming up with St. Patrick's Day and Mardi Gras and stuff like that, I haven't seen a lot of them do for the holidays. So yeah, I think there's an opportunity here to make something that nobody has yet. So there you go. That was my design tutorial for the bootleg wrap tee design. Hopefully you like it. As you can see, it looks difficult, but it's really easy to do with Kittl. If you haven't used Kittl yet, I have a link in the description for you to try it out. You can try it out for free, but if you want to use the Pro, my link helps with that as well. If you haven't learned some of the new things in Kittl version 2, I know it looks a little different if last you saw it was in version 1 or last year. Check out this video right here. It's my Kittl 2 video where I go over some of the major changes that they did recently at the beginning of the year. Thanks again for watching, and as always guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.